Hello, my name is Linda Barney. I am the founder of Barney Bookkeeping, your business watchdog, and today we're going to talk about customer statements, what they're for, and how to create them in QuickBooks Online. Reasons you may want to send a statement. Well, we send an invoice to our customers, but sometimes it does not get paid right away. There are many reasons your invoice might not have been paid. The invoice did not reach its final destination. It got lost between the person who received the invoice and their accounting department, or they just got so many it got stuck at the bottom of the pile. Often companies wait to receive all invoices for the month before sending payment. A statement shows a list of outstanding accounts receivable invoices and payments and the balance still owed to the company. Sending monthly statements can be a quick and easy way to remind your customers that you have not received their payments. And customer statements are sent out to customers usually at the end of the month or an accounting period. This serves as a helpful resource and should contain all the information so that they can compare their records, and this saves time for both you and your customer. So, we're going to look at the three different types of statements that you can send through QuickBooks Online. So to find the statements, we're going to press the New button. We're going to go over here under Other to Statement. And the first statement that you can send is the Balance Forward statement. So what we have here is we can put the start date and end date, and it sends them a balance forward. So I'm going to do a print preview so you can see what that statement will look like. So this statement just shows the date and how much money that client owes you, that customer owes you at the time. This does not give a lot of information, and this can end up with you and your customer going back and forth about which invoice it is and what the money's about. So I don't think that this is the best one you can send. So I'm going to show you the next kind. The next statement we can do is the open item last 365 days. And we just hit the apply button, and then I'll show you what this one looks like. So this statement actually shows the date of the invoice, the invoice number, the date that it was due, and the amount still owed. So this is the original amount and the amount still owed on the invoice. So these are great statements to send if you have items that are not older than 365 days. So if you don't have any outstanding items that are over 365 days, this will give your customer all the information they need to track down the correct invoice and know how much they need to pay you. And it will give them a description on the bottom of how many days overdue that payment is and the total amount due if there's more than one invoice. And so if you had email addresses in here, we could just send them, and it's quite simple. So the last invoice I'm going to show you, or the statement I'm going to show you, is a transaction statement. So transaction statements is the best statement to send if you have open items that are older than 365 days. So we can open it up to, say, 2020. So whatever date, like if your oldest item outstanding is, like your oldest invoice on your books outstanding is, that's the date you want to bring it to. You just apply it. And then again, you can either print these or send them via email. So if we bring up the printed amount, it does show the invoice and the amount that was received on this invoice if there was an amount of money owing, or if they paid you a certain amount. However, it doesn't give them the amount, how long it's been outstanding, but they would know from the date. So this is a very good statement to send if you have items that are older than 365 days. And you can either print them or send them via email. If you have any further questions, please add them to the comments, and we thank you for subscribing and have a great day.